I cannot make this up. I'm just here trying to clean my trout I just caught. And we got the bison swimming straight up across the river. I'm not in Yellowstone right now. I'm just trying to clean my brown trout. He's going, look at him. I mean, look at him. He's fighting the current. Can you believe that? He just got out of the water. He's 10 yards. Wow, we got 3 bison swimming. This is incredible. And they're just treading water, man. Here he comes. You got it, buddy. You got it. Well, you did well to ruin my fishing hole, that's for sure. And look at this guy, he's got funny horns. He'll look at us. His goes sideways. Look at that. Look at that. Well, I guess now I can get back to cleaning my fish. That was cool. Don't see that every day.